Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm making something really different because I like to make different things. So I am making a planchette. You can see the mold here, and this is such a beautiful mold by Raven Cotino. You can find their website on Instagram, and they have an Etsy shop and you can buy this mold from there. So this is their original artwork. So starting off, I'm using a polyurethane resin here. So when I started my resin journey, I did use this resin, and it's really quick and easy to use. So you need to take equal parts of the resin. This too cures in few minutes, around in 10 minutes, so you need to work fast. So I'm just mixing up my resin now. As I explained that you need to take equal parts of this resin. So I'm just measuring my resin here, and by mistake I poured my hardener more than my resin. So you will see what happened in a moment. So around 3 minutes it takes to mix up. So it's same like the normal resin. There is no difference here, but you need to work fast as it cures in 10 minutes. So as I told you, my resin got heat up and I had to pour it. But while I was pouring, you can see it's curing. So this was a fail. So I just waited and I had to remove it. So this was already cured, and I just thought I'll just show you what happened with me because it's hot and we are having a very hot summer in UK these days. And here I'm mixing up my resin again, and so I marked it and carefully I am adding the resin and hardener now. So again 2 to 3 minutes for mixing it properly. So by the way, I have used obsidian crystal for the eye here. If you can see, when I will demolding it, you can see that, but there is a cabochon in there for the eye, and I'm using obsidian crystal here. So after mixing it, I'm just placing the crystal securely, and now I'm adding the polyurethane resin here into the mold. So I need a very thin layer of this mold because I'm making a double effect here. So this is really a fun resin to work with. You need to work very fast, and plus you get your, in a very short time, it's ready. So I had some extra resin, so I had this mold by my side. So I just added it to this mold. And as you can see, it's getting opaque, so it's curing. So after that, I decided to add some alcohol ink. Initially, I was not going to add, I was going to make it black and white, but I did add this blue alcohol ink. I don't know what was going in my mind, but I had to. So after adding the alcohol ink, I did add the polyurethane resin again on top of it. And with the help of popsicle stick, I'm just spreading it, blending it, you can say, into the resin. Because it's already curing, so I need to work fast. So within 10 minutes, my layer is cured. So I'm now going with the second layer, and for second layer, I'm using the black urethane resin. So same, I mixed it equal parts and just pouring it into the mold now. So sometimes I really like to make things that are really different and very different from making coasters and flowers and different effects. So over to the fish now, I'm adding the resin into the fish as well. So you can see how liquid this resin is. Within 20 minutes, my resin creation is done. So with the black urethane resin, it takes around 20 minutes to cure, but still it's fast enough. So I'm just pouring it now. And I will be experimenting with this polyurethane resin a bit more because I have some ideas in my mind. So stay tuned for that as well. So in total of 20 minutes, it's all done and I'm just demolding it. So really excited to see how it turned out. And this is how it turned out. I really love it, and that blue effect. And initially I was going for black and white, but I really like how the blue turned out. So taking it to a step further, and I will be adding the glass cabochon into the empty hole. And for my second step, what I did here is I actually used this gilding glue onto the areas highlighted, but as soon as I just applied the golden mirror foil onto it, it got a lovely effect. So this is how I was doing it. So it did enhance the beauty of this planchette, and it became more beautiful. So because the gilding glue has been dried, it's sticky. So that's why the golden mirror is transferring itself onto the planchette. So you can use this on different projects. I really love to use the golden foil. So this is how it looks, and I really love how it turned out. So let's add the glass cabochon to finish it off. So it fits properly and it's done now. So this is the beauty. I really love to enjoy and make different and unique stuff. So this did refresh my mind, and I'm ready to make some new amazing projects for you soon. So this was a quick resin creation that I made, and yeah, of course, when I applied the gilding glue, it took some time. It's summer, so it dried quickly. So in total of around, you can say 1 hour, this planchette was ready. So I did made a planchette. You can make something really different from it, but the idea was that how quick you can make something. So I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. And the fish is coming soon. I forgot to demold it in front of you, but I managed to capture the pictures for you. So just stay tuned, it's coming up. So this is how the koi fish turned out. It turned out to be so pretty and cute. I really love it. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.